guys, welcome back to my channel. I missed you guys so much. I really miss filming YouTube videos, and I promise I will be back on track. And yeah, so in today's video I'm going to show you my summer skincare routine. Basically, I'm going to show you some of the products that I've been using lately and I've been loving them. So without any further ado, let's get started. My skincare routine involves 5 different steps, so I'm just gonna start with step 1 and so on. And the first step is cleansing my face, and I'm currently using the Face Shop Jeju Volcanic Lava face wash, and this is the pore cleansing foam. It has a foaming consistency and it is really good for oily skin and combination skin girls out there. So if you are an oily skin girl, I will definitely guys recommend you to try this product because it really makes my skin super clean and soft. And the best part I think about this face wash is that I don't feel that it's very harsh, and when I just lather it on, it forms into a very creamy foam, which I absolutely like, and it really cleanses my pores and leaves my skin super soft and cleansed and supple, which is something I really love. So I'm currently using this variant from the Face Shop range and I absolutely love it. So the second step is scrubbing my face, and I really like to scrub my face twice or thrice a week because during summers my skin tends to get very oily and greasy, and I feel that my pores are also blocked, and I really wish to remove all the dead skin cells and all the sweat and bacteria I have on my pores. So I like to use a scrub twice or thrice a week, and currently I'm using the Jeju Volcanic Lava scrubbing foam and pore scrub foam, and I absolutely love it. And this is again from the same range. This is the Jeju Volcanic Lava from Face Shop, and I absolutely love it. This also has a very foaming consistency, but it has some grains, the scrub grains that every scrub has to scrub your face, and it's very gentle on the skin, and it really cleanses my pores and makes my skin super soft, and I absolutely love it. And yeah, I absolutely love the range from the Face Shop, which is their Jeju Volcanic Lava range, and this is specifically for people having pores and oily skin and combination skin. And I think during summers this is a must use, and I absolutely love it. So if you guys are looking for a nice mild scrub that really cleanses your pores and without making them super dried out, I will definitely recommend you to try this one. And yeah, it's really good. So the third step in my skincare routine is toning my face, and I'm currently using the Plum Green Tea Toner, and this is one of my favorite toners that I've been using so far because it is basically, first of all, alcohol free, and it's really affordable, and I love the fragrance of this toner, and this is really good. I mean, it really makes my skin feel refreshed and amazed. I mean, during summers using toner is a must for oily skin people, and I must say for everyone out there. But if you have oily skin, then using a toner or mist is really important during summers. This actually helps to cleanse all your pores and your skin, and it helps to remove all the remaining makeup or bacteria that you may have on your face even after washing and scrubbing your face, and it's amazing. You should also use toners that are alcohol free because alcohol is an ingredient that harms your skin, and I've been lately using this product which is alcohol free, and I absolutely love it so much. So yeah, you should definitely give it a try if you really want to use a toner that is alcohol free, affordable and really good. And this is the green tea range, which is specially for combination oily and acne prone skin, so you should definitely try it out. And another thing that I really like about Plum is that this is 100% vegan and it is cruelty free. It is mentioned on the packaging itself, and I absolutely love it. So the fourth step in my skincare routine is moisturizing my face. Although many people think that we have oily skin, we don't need moisturization, it's really wrong. This is basically a myth. Every skin needs moisturization, and even oily skin needs moisturization, because what happens during summers that we tend to go out, and because of the sun and pollution, our skin gets very dehydrated, and we really need to provide it moisturization. And I think that moisturizing your face is a very crucial part of your skincare routine, and yeah, it's quite complicated for oily skin girls out there, because you may not find the type of moisturizer that may suit your skin. So I personally have oily and sensitive skin, and I easily cannot use any moisturizer because I tend to break out a lot and my pores get clogged and heavy, and I then get pimples and blackheads, which is really annoying. But yeah, I mean, I can recommend you some of the products that I've been using. So if you face similar problems as me, then maybe these products can suit you. But before using any of the products, make sure you do a test patch before, because that's really important, because I don't know how a product may react on your skin, because every person's skin is different. So it's better that you do a test patch before applying the entire product on your face. So yeah, I'm going to recommend you two moisturizers. So one moisturizer is when I use it in the daytime, and the other one I use it at night. So I'm just going to show you what I'm using. So currently I'm using the Face Shop Chia Seed Moisturizer, and I use this during the day and after I get out of the shower. And I absolutely love this moisturizer, because if you follow me for a while, you already know that I use this moisturizer basically every time before my makeup, after shower. I use it every single day and I absolutely love it. I've been also using this during my winter skincare routine, and I have been using this during the summers as well, because the consistency of the cream is super amazing. It really absorbs onto my skin. It feels super lightweight and super non-sticky, and I absolutely recommend this cream to oily skin and combination skin girls out there, because I swear by this and I love it so much. I'm just going to show you the consistency of the cream. You can see that it's more like of a gel consistency, and the cream is basically the chia seed hydro cream. It is really hydrating, super lightweight. It quickly absorbs onto the skin, and the best part is that it's super non-greasy. It is really lightweight and non-sticky, and I absolutely love it. At night time, I use the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream, and this is a very basic anti-aging cream. And since I'm 21 years old, I've started to incorporate very light things that are, kind of towards the anti-aging thing. And this is the basic cream that you will find in the market for anti-aging, and I've just started to incorporate this in my nighttime skincare routine, because the anti-aging sort of thing really works during the night, and I started to incorporate this type of skincare into my nighttime regime, so that I can pretend that I'm doing actually something for diminishing the appearance of wrinkles onto my skin. And I absolutely love this cream. This works wonders. I mean, it's not really effective for the anti-aging thing, but it's the initial step towards anti-aging, you can say skincare regimen or something like that. But I really love this cream because it is really moisturizing, and I absolutely love the smell of this cream. It's wonderful, and you can see I've used quite a good amount. And I must say, this is a drugstore brand cream. It does really not do wonders for removing wrinkles on your face, but I must say it is the basic first initial step that you could take if you really want to do something about your skin and just pretend, or at least satisfy yourself that you're doing something towards the anti-aging thing. I think I must recommend this to you. This is the basic initial step, and I'm 20 years old, so I don't want really to use products that are really heavy and concentrated about the anti-aging thing. So I really wanted to give this cream a try and absolutely love it. It is a little bit heavier than your normal creams, and I really wanted this type of consistency for myself. So I wanted a cream that really moisturizes my skin intensely during the night, but is not too heavy or too concentrated. And this is the perfect cream out there, and I absolutely love the fragrance of this cream, and it's super affordable. And that's pretty much all about this cream. You should definitely guys try it out if you are like me and you really want to do something for the anti-aging thing, and you don't really want to go for something really concentrated. You just want to take the initial steps towards anti-aging skincare, but you are really too young like me. So you should definitely incorporate this cream, and it's really wonderful. And yeah, that's all about this cream. Now comes the fifth step, which is basically my pampering step. I would say I do this once a week because it is really important for your skin. I basically do masking, or basically apply sheet mask, or just do some smart peeling. So I'm just going to show you some of the products that I use once a week for pampering my skin. So this is one thing that I've been using constantly during summers, and even in winters I use it as well. And this is the Face Shop Smart Peeling, and this is their Honey Black Sugar Scrub. This is one of the best things that I've ever come across for my skincare. You basically use this as your normal scrub, as you would scrub your normal face, but in this you have to just wash out your face and then pat dry it and then use it on dry skin, and this just exfoliates your skin to the next level, and this makes your skin super baby soft and supple and amazing. I love it. And I must say, this also helps me with reducing my pimple marks and black spots that I have onto my skin, and I absolutely recommend this to every girl out there. Even if you have oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, you should definitely use this product. You will know by yourself why do I love this product so much, and it is amazing. This has another variant as well, which is the white jewel one. I have not tried out that one yet, but I've been using this one and I will recommend this to all of you, and it's amazing. I mean, I love it. It makes my skin super soft and supple and baby soft. And here I have two sheet masks that I use once a week for my skin pampering thing, because using sheet masks is really good for your skin. And these are the Dear Packer home remedy mask, and this is the Lab Collection mask. So I have basically a lot of sheet masks from the Face Shop, Dear Packer, Nykaa and different brands, and I use them once a week because your skin needs that hydration. That sheet masks provide you with a lot of hydration and moisturization, and I absolutely love it. And I feel that they also give you a cooling sensation to your skin, and these make your skin more glowing and plump and beautiful. So I will suggest you to guys use sheet masks or even your normal face packs. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for tuning till here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Like this video and comment down below which one of the products you also use during your summer skincare routine. And yeah, thank you so much for watching till here. See you in my next video. Bye guys.